Hello and welcome to my cocaine confetti tutorial. I'm just going to get into it. So you're going to need some tools. So first of all you're going to need the cocaine. What are you doing now? Don't snort the cocaine. And I've been told that I'm not at gunpoint.
No, you're not supposed to say that. You know, we told you to say that you're not at gunpoint.
Oh, I've been told that I'm not at gunpoint by nobody.
Oh, for fuck's sake, right, I'll give up. I'm going.
You're gonna need
just continue on.
You're gonna need gun to defend yourself from cocaine fairies who want to take your cocaine. Is there mag? Yes, there is. You're gonna need to fucking flip it the right way around. There's a pheasant. I could get tea. Oh, back to the point. Then you're going to need party poppers, deadly weapon, and an assortment of tools. So, yeah, let's begin. Let's go with a pink one. And this is my first time doing this. I'm just going to try to remove this. False advertising. It's harder than I thought. Yes, I'm getting somewhere. You remove this, you put that to the side, and you get out all of this ugly stuff. Now, just under there should be the ignite thingy. Now you just need your cocaine. This is where this deadly weapon, I was about to say spoon, that would be false, inaccurate, and you just plop it on in. Even it out a bit. Then you carefully put thing back in. My dog's coming. You're not getting any cocaine this time. You just need to try to pop that back into place. Which is probably going to be the hardest part. What are you doing? You're getting in your bed. No, I'm not usually the one to do this. It's usually one of the other clones. Right, yep. Pop that back into place. Beautiful. That's one down. And, where did that pheasant go? Probably a pheasant. Could be one of the cocaine fairies. Come here. Hey, what's going on here? Ooh, is that cocaine? Wait a second. This is my cocaine. You stole my cocaine. Who's been stealing my ideas? And who's been filming this? Who's been stealing my cocaine? Could it be Mippy? Hey, whoa, Mario, what's the video? Hey, what's this over here? Who's filming? What are they filming? No, but my calculations are doing some cocaine stuff. Oh, this must have been Mebal or something like that. Oh, never mind. Oh. Well, I don't know what they're filming here. Of course, they're not filming now. So this is my Mippy the Hippie podcast. Hello, hello, hello. I'm not one for doing cocaine, but... I go make peace with cows. Yeah, let's go do this. It works. My cocaine confetti works. Oh yes, in the gun broke in half. The pheasant did that. Yeah, now really I am Mebal. Now I can really do this. Okay, let's make another.